Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Wednesday, May 23rd of 2012. Caroline Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you are all ready for our Q's analysis class here tonight, so let's get started. And check this out, look at this beautiful bounce that we talked about here on Monday off of that area of support down here at 60.67. We bounced off of it here on a pretty nice volume, but still struggling at this area of resistance where you see that 8 moving average. Okay, we're still stuck right here because this is a pretty significant area of resistance that we are stuck at this moment. But if we do ever go higher, what needs to happen is that we first of all need to break through the high of yesterday, 62.95, and then also through that pink area of resistance, through that pink moving average right here, which is at about 63. And if we do ever do so, then we could approach that other area of resistance up here, 63.50. If we do that, wonderful, we could continue higher to that next area of resistance up here, 65.10. But if we do instead keep staying below both moving averages, we could pull back down to that 60.67 mark, and then we'll need to watch and pay close attention to what happens once we get there. If we do ever go back to 60.67 again, so we could either way break through it and continue to the downside to the next area of support down here, 59.85, or we could bounce off of it here the second time, continuing higher, breaking through that high of 62.95, continuing higher, and that would be called a low W formation, which is a bullish formation. But this is just the beginning, so I am just looking for a different scenario, for different scenarios here that you could watch for to form. Okay, so that would be one, but watch those areas of support and resistance that I showed you, because those are key areas for you to pay close attention to. They're really important. But anyways, check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is pointing north. Actually, it's getting closer and closer to the zero line, but according to the MACD, we're still in a bearish territory. We're still below the zero line, but we are continuing higher right here. And this is a pretty nice confirmation with our low bounce off of that 60.67 mark. So that is a really nice bounce, not only on the Q's chart, but also on the MACD. And then the volume is staying steady at this moment, is right at the average or slightly above the average. So we are trading on a pretty nice volume right here. That's what I like to see. So again, look for some spikes in volume right here, for the MACD to continue higher, to continue north, getting closer and closer to the zero line if we do ever continue higher on our chart. Alright, so safe trading to all of you, and